welcome to episode 7, y'all. It's gonna be a beautiful day, 68 degrees and sunny. I'm chilling in my brother's driveway right now.
Indicative of population growth.
Prehistoric California.
Intense resource indicate that people may have fought over dwindling peoples in the lower Sacramento Valley.
My mother has been in the hospital the last few days. She's doing well. They kept her for monitoring, and she's going to be able to come home today. So I'm going to go visit her when she gets back. I'm going to use my brother's shower. Me mom has been discharged from the hospital. I'm gonna go pick up a salad for her because she's gonna need something light to eat. And then I'm gonna go head over to her house. Alright, I'm at my mom's house. I've been wanting to try to make bread. So while I was at the store getting salad for my mom, I got some yeast, some flour, and sugar. I'm gonna try to make some bread. And some sugar, salt. Oh geez. You're looking for light to be seen through the dough. That means I've kneaded it enough. It should double in size. I got these salads and this Gouda cheese. My mother is back from the hospital, so I'm gonna go spend some time with her. This is my mama's house. I'm so tired. Let's check out the dough. I mean, it looks like dough. Cook some up. My bread is baked. That's what the people that make bread do. That's good. I'm gonna save the rest of this for me mom to try. Time for second breakfast. Well, it's time to depart from my brother's house. My mom's getting herbs because she's not supposed to have salt anymore. I'll be living at Lodi Lake for the rest of the day. For lunch, I'm having this fat tri-tip sandwich. Salt around the edges. Wait 5 minutes for it to get bubbly. Now we mix. Alright, cool. Alright. Let's let it ferment. Catch me outside, y'all. Baking bread in the parking lot. There's the bread dough. It has gotten bigger. At tonight's chargers. Let's plug in. I'm gonna need my phone. Alright, cool. This is home for the night. We got a McDonald's there, a Chipotle, PetSmart. It's dinner time, and I'm thinking I'll eat the rest of this bread. And then I'll also have some sushi.
Since I did an interview.
Come on, Sam.
I'd like to see myself on TV. No, you wouldn't.
It's getting late. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. I just finished brushing my teeth, getting dressed, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to make some breakfast. I'm not gonna make all of it. Stretch, stretch. Oh yeah. You guys, once this bag of bacon is gone, I need to stop eating bacon. It's not good for you, and I eat it every morning. A little bit of butter, some honey. Whoop! No, pop the fucking yolk. Look at that. Life is good. Alright, let's grub, eh? Fucking bomb. That is good. I suppose I'll take the trash out now. This morning I signed up for Love Lodi, so I'll be cleaning up Lodi today.
Thank you guys so much for being out here.
Oh yeah. Alright y'all, we made it back to base. Work tomorrow. Woo. So after the Love Lodi event, I turned the camera off for a private outing, laying in the park, walking downtown, and going out to eat. It's a great day. It's that time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next week for episode 8.